Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with Preferred Equipment Group 1SP, navigation, ventilated driver and front passenger seats, heated driver and front passenger seat, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, garage door transmitter, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, front and rear park assist, third row seating, OnStar emergency communication system, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.